taking a look at this table carrier from VEVOR that they sent me to make this short video. It's got very large wheel set here. They're almost probably 5 inches wide with brakes on 2 of them. It's all steel construction throughout. Really easy to put together. You're just going to put in some bolts here across. And you can use it to carry stacked tables on their side all the way across. You probably put 6 or more of them. I've actually got some chairs here mixed in and a table. Makes it real easy to roll around, and the brakes are great in case you're on a hill like I am here for it to not roll down and get out of control on you. It's got powder coated finish all the way around. It's really well painted around, and the welds are nice. Lots of support, so it's got an angle iron on the corners. You got these braces in the center. They're nice and thick. Nothing cheap about this. It's very heavy duty. You could use it to carry other things besides tables, whatever you need. It rolls really nice, and it's pretty long. It's coming in at about, I think it's about 5 feet. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, probably 4 feet long here, coming across, and about 3 feet wide. Overall, yeah, pretty impressed. It's well put together. It's strong and easy to roll heavy objects around. Hope that helps. Have a great day.